Uy, pre! Ikaw pala yan.
Uy, pre! Yo! Ang ganda. Kamusta na yung trend natin? Ano na?
My topic is Jollibots. Jollibee is enhancing its customer service experience with the introduction of its adorable robot server named Jollibot. The Jollibot serves a convenient solution, delivering customers meals directly to their tables with a friendly smile while playing the Jollibee theme song to create a joyful atmosphere. Well, fun fact, Jollibots aren't originally Jollibots. This robot is originally named Bellabot and was invented by the company Voodoo Robotics. Bellabot is a premium delivery robot that efficiently delivers orders to customers' tables. That's all for my topic for today. Thank you!
Some people say the metaverse will only be virtual. One day, this lecture hall will be made of code. And though they're virtual students, what they'll learn together is real. A surgeon will be able to practice as many times as needed in the metaverse before laying her hands on a real patient. These students aren't really back in 32 BCE, but they can still watch Mark Antony debate in ancient Rome. The metaverse may be virtual, but the impact will be real.
Virtual reality has a history dating back in the late 1800s, with early 3D photos and 3D toys. The first VR headset was created in the late 1950s, leading to flight simulators, travel simulation, and SE gloves. VPL Research became the first to sell VR headset, and modern controllers are credited to Jaro Lanier and Tom Zimmer. Examples of VR is Oculus Rift, HTC Vive, and PlayStation VR. Although VR sounds fun, there are also challenges, such as motion sickness, ethical concerns, and cost. VR is changing the way we learn, the way we play, the way we work. Ayun lang. Maraming salamat. Bye-bye!
Okay, so thank you Lyndon and Jonky for that great explanation of yours. Clips of my video. And as for now, we're gonna be explaining how AI cars or AI self-driving works. So in terms of AI self-driving, let's take Tesla into account or as an example. Tesla vehicles use multiple cameras in the front and back, including the sides, in order to pick up its own view or see the world around it. And these self-AI driving cars have very powerful computers inside of them that are able to see and detect and know what side of the street they're supposed to be driving and what they are supposed to be doing.
Hello everyone, hopefully you enjoyed the 3 other presenters before I am. I'm Aragon Civilian, and I will be your last presenter. I will present the AR technology. What is AR technology? AR technology is short for augmented reality technology. Where can you see exactly the augmented reality technology? Augmented reality technology is the combination of our world and digital world. Can you imagine that? And like any other technology, it uses softwares and applications. And also, some invented the AR glasses. And an example application for this particular presentation is the Pokemon Go. Pokemon Go uses our phones to, well, back then, before they updated it, it lets us use the real world to see Pokemons, to catch them. Next is the Adidas. Back then, you just have to go to the store so you can see the shoes and hopefully they have your size and fit it. Now, you with just your phone, you can just scan your feet, see if there's a shoe size for you, and you can just buy it. It's either online or you can put it on your cart, show it to the clerks on the stores, and there you go. You have your shoes. Lastly, IKEA. IKEA. Back then, you have to go to really long lengths just to measure. Then now, you just have to use also your phone. Just scan your room, see if the furniture will fit, if it will like your aesthetic. You can just do it with just your phone. That's how evolution in augmented reality has gotten far. And that's it for these presentations. I hope you liked and enjoyed all of their presentations as well. See you next time.